Well, guys, let us see what is the next thing that Blender developers has to offer us. So let us rest in peace this cube, select this cube and hit the delete key. Go to add, go to mesh, and the next objects are extra, and in the extra there is beam builder. If I click on the beam builder, you get a beam. Currently it's a hollow beam, and when we go into the options, you got some profiles. U profile is going to be like this, C profile is going to be like this, L profile is going to be like this, like the letter L, alphabet L. I profile is going to be like this, and T profile is going to be like this. Let me take I profile and go through these parameters. So the first parameter is height. How high you want the profile to be, the width of the beam, the depth of the beam, the thickness of the beam, how thick you want the, let me keep it here, how thick you want the beam to be or how thin you want the beam to be, and tapering off. If you want to taper the edges, let me increase the thickness so that you can see what the taper is doing. And in different profiles it applies on different edges. This is T profile, this is U profile, and if I change the taper, this is what is going to happen. Let us right click on the taper and reset to defaults. Then we have got some location, X location, Y location, Z location, rotation, if you want to rotate in X, Y, Z axis. So that's it for this, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support me wholeheartedly, you can go on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. And until then, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.